if you ever wanted to hide a search result, maybe there's some sites ranking on the first page of Google, either about yourself or about some clients of yours that aren't necessarily true or even sometimes completely false, which you might want to consider hiding, either because they're hurting your brand or your client's brand. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. This is called online reputation management. I'm going to go over a case study as well with some success stories. And in the end, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do it yourself or hire someone to do it for you. So let's dive right in. Right, so online reputation management for individuals or brands using reverse SEO. I have here the case study. I'm going to go over it in a bit. I don't want to make this boring, but basically, again, like I said in the intro, why would you want to use this? I mean, if you ever have a negative search result for your name or for your brand's name showing up on the first page of Google, this will hurt your brand. Whether that it is a true article or even a fake one, it hurts your brand either way, because people don't really care what's true or not. They only care that it shows up a negative result, for your brand. So it doesn't really matter if it is fake or not. What matters is that it is there and you want to remove it. So let's go over here the first case in the case study. This was for a guy named Daniel P. Cannon. And as you can see here, I mean, we can go over this. You can go over this. I'll link it in the description. Basically, when you search for his name, this court case study, or not case study, but this court legal case would appear here on the first page, just below this feature snippet right here, this video snippet, sorry, which was, of course, a really bad thing to happen to him. Again, I'm not here to defend what he did or what he did not. I'm not sure if this is true or not, but the only thing we care about around here is that he wanted to hide this. And as we can see here, after 12 months, we managed to push down the result to the second page of Google. And we, of course, all know that nobody goes to the second page of Google. You can hide anything you want over there. People only work with the first page, or most people only work with the first page. So this was a pretty successful case study for this guy named Daniel P. Cannon. Then we have here another one for Jack Cavanaugh. I'm not sure if I'm saying this name correctly. But again, what happened was that there were these negative links or articles on Business Insider, Vulture, Media Coder about him. And these are some super strong domains, so they're really hard to hide. You know, it's not easy to make these sort of articles on these authoritative places disappear. And as you can see here, the before was on the 1st of February 2018. There were these 4 articles or 5 ranking for his name on the second page, again with these super powerful domains. And a year later, 4 of them just completely disappear out of the search results, and one of them is in position 95, which nobody's going to check it. So a pretty successful campaign. I mean, I will link this in the description, but as you can see, this works and this is super, super valuable. I mean, just think about the power of hiding something you don't want to be shown to people. Whether it is a true article or a fake one, you do have the power to hide it. And that's extremely, extremely powerful. That's extremely, extremely powerful if you think of it. You can virtually hide anything you want on the second, third, fifth, fourth page of Google, however you like it. And this is done again through online reputation management. But what is this in fact? So the process consists of basically creating hundreds of positive profiles about you, your business, whatever it is, whether it's a person or a business or an entity, of course. The process starts by creating hundreds of profiles about yourself, then a bunch of positive content about yourself. Then the reverse SEO comes in. I'm not going to go over in detail because I'm not entirely sure how he does it. I think different people have different approaches to this, but I guess reverse SEO, we can also call it negative SEO to some extent. And again, I'm not sure how he does it. And then it continues on to ethical reputation management practices, positive search results on Google, social media optimizing and promotions, making the profiles you created and the profiles that are already there more powerful so that they're ranking Google, and suppressing and de-indexing these fake or untrue or maybe even truth results that you don't want to see. So it does work. You saw it by the case study. It does work. I've had throughout the years a ton of people ask me if I could do this. And I mean, finally I have someone to refer to, someone I know I can trust, someone that I know that actually knows how to do it. And I'll leave his link in the description if you want to have a go at it. I mean, it's again super powerful. You can also click here, and this will lead you to the case study. It will just download automatically, and you can click it and view the case study here for yourself. So yeah, this basically it. I wanted to go over what these online reputation management or negative reverse SEO is, because it does work and it's super, super powerful. Again, you can hide anything you want. That's it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you very, very soon. Cheers.